The power of dreams.
This is me. The same person just like you. But there's a sharp distinction. I have vision, a power to face the new day, and a guide to help me find perfection. So I can set my new level as a pinnacle. To face unseen challenges and go even further. Striving at perfection with aspirations and dreams. Discovering new ways of living and experiencing life. I shape our destinies with actions and keep pushing myself to leap at the front. Vision will always guide me, defining purpose and guiding my perspective from every direction. So I can get ahead in perfection. All new Honda CR-V. Ahead in perfection.